This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy calls on Robinhood. First, make sure you understand the fundamentals of call options and that your Robinhood account is approved for options trading. Then, open the Robinhood app and search for the stock you want to trade. Tap on the Trade button and select Trade Options to view the options chain. Once you are on the options chain, you will see various expiration dates. Pick one that suits your investment horizon. Next, look at the different strike prices. A call option gives you the right to buy at the strike price, so choose one you expect the stock to surpass. Always check the bid and ask prices to gauge market liquidity. After selecting your desired call option, you'll specify how many contracts you want to buy. Each contract typically represents 100 shares. Then, choose your order type. A limit order lets you set a maximum price, while a market order executes immediately at the current price. Carefully review all the details before placing your order. After your order is filled, it's crucial to monitor your call option's performance. Options values can change rapidly, so stay informed about the underlying stock's movement. You can sell your option at any time to lock in profits or minimize potential losses before expiration. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.